At Suffolk, we're trying to redefine what is possible in the construction industry. We aspire to come up with the most creative solutions for problems that may seem impossible.
When COVID happened, one of the things that we were asked to do was to figure out how to deploy thermal cameras at our job sites.
When we first started doing the temperature testing, we were doing it the traditional way, and that was taking over 40 minutes to an hour to load the crews in. With Microsoft Teams, we're able to do the thermal temperature scan, and we're able to get back to work within minutes.
Microsoft Teams allowed us to synchronize that information through thermal camera technology all the way back to our storage online, where we were able to take that information and keep some analysis around the information that we collected. Given that Microsoft Teams and the Microsoft 365 is secure with multi-factor authentication, we were able to ensure that we put the right level of authentication and security on our files so that nobody unauthorized could access them. We have to now continue to look forward and say, what is next and how can we stay ahead of that?